out in Transmart because the place is so clean and comfy. When I go to order fried chicken, and for the drink I like to order orange juice because the price is cheap. I like to go there with my friend. The place is highly recommended.
Highly recommended.
Highly recommended.
And by the way,
I want to share about the food and drink yummy that I like
and
fried chicken because it is yummy. I don't like pare because it's not tasty. For the drink, I like coffee, but I don't like pare juice because it is not tasty. Okay. Thank you, Mister.
You're welcome.